Welcome to Benson Yard, an oasis of contemporary student living nestled in the heart of Liverpool. Step into thoughtfully designed en-suites and studios that blend modern elegance with comfort. Each apartment boasts a cozy bed and a stylish en-suite bathroom for added convenience. But there's more to Benson Yard than just stylish living spaces. Enjoy socializing in the stunning Sky Lounge, take advantage of state-of-the-art laundry facilities, and stay in the best shape with an on-site gym. Catch the latest flicks in the cinema room, challenge your friends in the games room, and take a stroll in the spacious courtyard. Plus, all utilities are included, ensuring hassle-free living. Conveniently situated near Liverpool John Moores University and City of Liverpool College, Benson Yard offers easy access to academic pursuits. Explore a variety of dining options at nearby eateries such as Mowgli Street Food Bold Street or Bak Cheech Lebanese Restaurant, and discover cozy cafes like Moose Coffee or Bold Street Coffee. With excellent transport links, navigating Liverpool is both convenient and enjoyable. Don't miss out on your ideal student living experience. Visit amberstudent.com today to discover Benson Yard Liverpool. Your new home awaits.